people, welcome back to another interesting video. So if you're new to my channel, I'd like you to subscribe and click the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. So today's video is going to be about cornrows. So I'm going to start by outlining the shape of the head. So here is going to be the head, down here is going to be the face. So let's start. So this line shouldn't be so straight, should be curved, and try to make your outline light like mine. So keep going. These are like the curves from the cornrow. So this girl is going to be facing like sideways, that's why it's this way. So this is the bun at the back when the cornrow is packed. So now I'm going to draw the front line. This is trying to draw her ear. So her ear is going to be here. So now, for the shape of her head, this is going to be her nose and her mouth. You really don't need to draw this part, so I'm just doing it to like show you the side where she's facing. This also should be light. And you are done with the outline. So now for the cornrows. So this is like telling you where each cornrow will be placed. So take from the front of the hair down to the bun. This is the other cornrow close to the ear. The end of this cornrow will be like slightly attached to the middle one. This is going to be the last one. It's basically 3 cornrows. So after this you can erase, but if you don't want to you can leave it on if you'll be able to draw. But I prefer to erase it. Okay, so I'm done with that. Now for the outline and the drawing of the cornrow. So basically just a pattern, curved lines. Try to join this to the other end. It's basically almost like an upside down love shape, but without the tip at the bottom. So you basically do this, you keep going, it's a continuous stuff. So keep going to the tip. And keep going to the front part. So I'm taking my time to get each shape. This process isn't to be rushed. Don't rush it. Try following the same pattern you used for this side. Keep going till you get to the part you drew before. Try not to lose your rhythm. So I'll draw the next cornrow. Like I said, it's slightly joined to the first one. So trying to get the shape like the first one I did. It's basically doing the same thing all over again, but in a different place. So now to add the shapes like the way we did the first one. So I had to speed up this process. Now for the third cornrow, that is the shape. So this particular cornrow isn't like fully shown like the other two, because like I said, she's facing this side. So just follow my step. Trying to show the little curves that are showing from how the picture was taken. So now to add cornrows to the bun. This is how the bun should look as you're going, and if you're done, this is how it should look. Looks good, right? try to cover like most parts of the space with the cornrow, the braids. So this is how it should look. Looking good, right? Okay, so now for the hair that's attached to the scalp. Yeah, scalp. Okay, so these are basically lines attached to the cornrow. So in doing this, you can like shade the inner parts close to the cornrow darker than the other parts lighter. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. Like this part, this down part, try to shade it like darker than this lighter part going up here. So if you do this around the hair, this is how it should look at the end. Like now you can see what I was saying, like to add that effect. So basically you do the same thing for all the cornrows. And if you're done, this is how it should look. So now down to shading the cornrows itself. So basically shade like the surroundings of like a particular part darker, then try to leave the middle lighter due to the light source, or you can shade like lightly and darkly by the edges, then use an eraser to like erase the middle part, like this same effect I'm trying to make. Yeah, just making it easy. So just keep shading, keep following me, keep shading this way. Try to make the surroundings darker. And if you're done with shading, this is how it should look. So guys, this is basically the drawing. Okay, so we're done. So thanks for watching. So if you enjoyed the video, please show your support by subscribing to my channel by clicking the button below, and also liking this video and clicking the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. So guys, thank you for those that have been consistently watching. Please leave a comment below because your likes and comments motivate me to do more, and your feedback is important to me. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys, love you.